Most people choose the wrong rewards app because they compare screenshots instead of understanding how the apps actually pay. Here's the truth no one tells you. Swagbucks and Mistplay reward users in completely different ways, and depending on your habits, one can easily outperform the other in 2026. In this video, you'll learn which app pays more realistically, which one is easier for beginners, the biggest mistakes users make on both platforms, and which rewards app is actually worth your time. Let's start with Mistplay. Mistplay is focused mainly on mobile gaming. You download games through the app, play normally, and earn units over time that can be exchanged for gift cards. The biggest advantage is simplicity. Alex downloaded a few casual games during his train commute, and slowly built enough points for small rewards without needing to complete complicated tasks. But here's the problem. Mistplay earnings usually slow down the longer you stay in the same game. This is where most users fail. They keep grinding one game for hours instead of rotating between multiple boosted games to maximize rewards. Now let's compare that to Swagbucks. Swagbucks is much broader. Instead of only gaming, it offers surveys, cashback shopping, videos, app installs, web searches, and paid offers. That flexibility is one reason it has remained popular for years. Now here's where it gets interesting. Swagbucks can technically pay more overall, especially if you complete high-paying offers or shopping deals. For example, John earned a decent cashback reward after purchasing something he already planned to buy online. Mistplay doesn't really offer that type of earning opportunity. But there's a catch. Swagbucks also requires more patience. Surveys can disqualify users, some offers take longer to verify, and beginners often waste time on low-paying tasks. Mistplay feels more passive and beginner-friendly because you mainly just play games. In a minute, I'll show you which app is actually better depending on your goal. Before that, here's something most people overlook. Mistplay is mainly Android-focused, while Swagbucks works across more devices and earning categories. That difference matters more than many users realize. Now for the honest comparison. If your goal is relaxed gaming rewards with minimal effort, Mistplay usually feels easier and more enjoyable. But if your goal is maximizing earnings through multiple methods like cashback, surveys, and premium offers, Swagbucks often has higher earning potential. This is where most people fail. They try using Swagbucks casually like Mistplay and get frustrated. Swagbucks rewards strategy and consistency more than passive use. So which rewards more in 2026? For casual mobile gamers, Mistplay often feels better. For users willing to actively chase offers and use cashback features, Swagbucks usually wins in total earning potential. The smartest move is actually using both strategically for different purposes. If you've tried Swagbucks or Mistplay, comment below with which one paid you more. And subscribe for more rewards, app comparisons, side hustle guides, and online income tips.